Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some paperclip embellishments, and I thought I would turn the camera on and bring you along with me because this is something I can see myself totally getting carried away doing. So what I have in front of me is a box of normal paperclips, and I also have this. Now this is something I keep on my desk, and when people send me happy mail I tend to put the little bits in here. So there is a whole variety of things in here that I've been sent in happy mail. I've got this gorgeous big flower, I've got puzzle pieces, I've got bunting, I've got flowers. I mean, there's just, you can see there is all sorts in here, but I hoard it because someone sent it to me in happy mail and I'm like, well, I need to use it and keep it forever because it was a gift. And then I just end up hoarding it and not using it. And then I thought, well, what if I change my thinking, and what if I use what's been sent to me in happy mail to create something equally beautiful to then pass on and share the love. So I have to make these paper clip embellishments for part of a swap, and this is from the Happy Mailers group, which I will link in the description box of this video because it is the most fantastic group to be a part of, and I'm so happy I joined. So I'm going to make the paper clips for the swap, and yeah, I just thought I would share what I'm doing as we go along. So I think I'll switch to voiceover and probably speed it up a bit, but I've got a hot glue gun over here just heating up, I've got my bits and bobs, and I've got my paper clips, and we'll just see how we go. So just before I get started, if you do enjoy this video or find it useful, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave me a little comment and subscribe to my channel. It really does help my channel grow, but it also helps the video reach more people, which is basically all I'm trying to do. I just want to share my craftiness with everyone because I love what I do and I love sharing with everyone. So it really helps me out if you do those things. So let's jump into the video and let's make some paper embellishments. I decided to start with the large flower. I couldn't not, and I actually used a large paper clip to mount this one. I'm using a toothpick to spread the hot glue. Next I've gone for one of those small enamel roses. I think they're adorable and I thought they'd look super cute on a paper clip. Next I've gone for this charm of the Eiffel Tower. I have wanted to use this for so long and I had no idea what to do with it. So putting on a paper clip seemed amazingly good idea. Next, I've gone for this butterfly. I was a little bit worried about the fabric using the hot glue, but it seemed to work, so there was no worries there. Here's my utter fail. I thought I'd have a go using a wax seal, but it really didn't work because the hot glue melted the wax. Here is the Scotty dog. Again, super cute. I think that'd make a great little page mark in a journal. I've also done that huge vintage flower. This is like a little Easter wooden embellishment and I thought it'd look really cute, so I've put some glue on there. And this is a broken butterfly embellishment. It used to be a sticker, but I thought let's repurpose it. Next, I decided to do some die cutting, so I've used my creative dies to cut the smallest banner out of scraps, and then I've just folded it over the paper clip and I embellished with some stickers. This came out so cute. I'm definitely going to be making more of these. I absolutely loved it. And then I've gone for a flower. So I had these Hessian flowers in my Happy Mail thing, and then there were other bits of flowers that had been sent as well, so I thought let's just make a flower. How cute does that look? And then I was really careful with the hot glue on the back because I was like, I don't know how it's going to react with all of that stuff and the glue, but it came out great. I ended up using a little bit of hot glue to put the center on because it kept falling off, but yeah, really pleased with that. Then I thought, well, actually let's just see if I can stamp directly onto a paper clip. That's my brand new stamp handle that I got. I absolutely love it. So I thought, right, let's just go for it. So I melted some wax and here we go. You can see the paper clip through it, but it's not the end of the world. So these two bits of paper measure 1 3/4 by 6 and 1 1/2 by 6 respectively. So basically what you do is on the pretty paper you cut a slit, and then you're able to poke a paper clip through it, poke some ribbon through it, and then when you push it down, that holds the ribbon in place. As you can see, I'm then gluing all around the paperclip and on the top piece of the paper, and it holds it all in place. It's very clever. I'll link the original video that I saw in the description box, and then I've just embellished it. It makes a really pretty paperclip. And here is a quick look at my finished embellishments. So these are my finished paperclip embellishments, and I'll just show you, they do mostly work. So this is the big flower. This is the hidden paperclip flower. I think they've come out so cute. I think most of them worked. There was just the wax seal ones that didn't. I mean, it's kind of gone back together, but it just doesn't look great. That would actually go on the page, to be fair, but it just looks really rubbish with that big glob of glue there. So that's probably going to go in the bin, or I might remelt that wax. This is the one where I stamped directly onto the paperclip, so it is quite secure, but where it's leaked down slightly when I stamped, it's not really going to do what it's supposed to do. It won't sit, so that's a shame, because that was a really nice idea in theory. Here is the butterfly. We've got the gorgeous little Scotty dog. We have the bird sticker. Now this one, if they didn't want to keep it as a paperclip embellishment, they could easily peel that backing off. I haven't stuck the backing down on purpose so that they have a choice. Here's my really cute little banner. I love this. I'm going to make more of these. Great way to use up scraps. And you can use your stickers as well. How cute is that? Here is the Eiffel Tower. I think some of these I'll be keeping for my own journal. I've got lots of these butterflies, so I will definitely make some more like that. Here's the little resin flower, super cute. Here's the vintage looking flower. So they all worked quite well, to be fair. This is the bookmark type one. So it just sits like that, and then you can use the ribbon to pull it off. And I actually made another one while I was waiting for things to dry, which is this one. That will definitely go out in Happy Mail. I really like that. So these are a great way to use up your scrap pieces, and you can make them as big or small as you like. So I really hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope it's given you an idea of things you can do with your odds and ends that maybe you get sent in Happy Mail and then you hoard, and then you're like, what do I want to use them for? This is so fun. It really doesn't take very long at all, and you get some really beautiful embellishments that you can either use yourself or pass on in Happy Mail. So I am going to be doing a lot more of these. I think I'm a little bit hooked, and I'm definitely going to embellish more, so like putting things under the butterfly, for example, or putting leaves under the flower. I think I'm going to get a bit bolder. I might come back and do another video the more confident I get, but for now I'm really happy with what I've achieved. So let me know in comments what you think. Is there a particular embellishment that you really like that I've made today? What do you think of these really super cute little bookmark type things? Are you going to give them a go? I'd love to know. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, as I said before, please subscribe and help my channel grow. Leave me a comment, and please, if you've enjoyed this video or found it useful, give it a big thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching today. It really means the world that people watch my videos, and I really hope you'll come back and watch some more soon. So I'll be back soon with more videos, and until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.